was talking to Cabrina, who's actually producing this whole podcast, and Cabrina was going to roll up on our website. We have a really cool page that is called Our Brands.
A lot of cool pages.
Yeah, we got a lot there. We might even do a podcast where we actually walk through everything that's available on the website, because it's pretty
it's a lot there.
Pretty awesome.
Yep.
But it's growing every day. But there is a page on there about our brands that we work with, and any company. People that you work with, there are some that you work with, like you said, there's some you work with a lot, and there's some that are kind of ancillary, like they're a little bit, but we're not a huge vendor, or not a huge vendor to us. But in this case, we have on our website a top 50 brands.
Right.
And the top 50 brands all have a logo on this brands page, and you click on their logo, and you go out to a landing page for that brand, and they've worked with us to provide quick, easy access information on them, who they are, what they do, an overview, and you can go from there off to their website or whatever. But just to know that those brands, there's triple, quadruple more that we deal with, but just to know that there's 50 brands even that we do a lot of business with.
Well, and part of that too,
and they're partners.
Yeah, part of that criteria, right, in being to sort of have one of those highlight pages, and not just the volume of business we do with them, but to be able to get sort of on that page. This is a reciprocal kind of a thing, right?
Correct.
We obviously have a jump off point to their site, but they also direct business.
They're working with us.
And customers back to us, right, with a distributor locator and things like that.
Because they like it when they're doing business when they like it when they're doing business with us. So encouraging that to people that need to utilize their products, it's in their best interest to have them do the business with us.
Sure.